Pronunciation is a physical sport. Make sure you practice with me. Vowels are all about changing the size and shape of your mouth. This is the most famous sound in English. So famous, it even gets its own name, the schwa. It's a lazy sound, and everybody, let's face it, are lazy. For this sound, look lazy. Relax all those muscles in your face, and your tongue is in a middle, neutral position in your mouth. Here's my lazy look. And then just let out a lazy ugh. Some practice words: photograph, about, water. And start taking your English mask off today.